Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. Then in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us.